नमस्कार दोस्तों, इस वीडियो में अक्टूबर 2025 के 200 सबसे महत्वपूर्ण सवाल को डिस्कस करेंगे जो आपके आगे आने वाले सभी परीक्षाओं के लिए महत्वपूर्ण है। जो 200 सवाल है ये आपके इंग्लिश में है, तो ये एसपीडी का इंग्लिश मैगज़ीन है। ठीक है, तो आप लोग वीडियो को ध्यान से देखिएगा। आप लोग का डिमांड था कि सर इंग्लिश में भी एसपीडी का मैगज़ीन अपलोड कीजिए, तो इस महीने से अब हर बार जैसे हिंदी का अपना मैगज़ीन आता था उसी प्रकार से इंग्लिश का भी मैगज़ीन एसपीडी का आएगा। ठीक है, जैसे कि ऑब्जेक्टिव, वन लाइनर और फिर सभी मंथ को एक में करके ये सारे वीडियो इंग्लिश में भी अपलोड किया जाएगा। इसका पीडीएफ के लिए आप टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज्वाइन कर लीजिएगा, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया गया है। और आप लोग लास्ट में कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइएगा कि आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा। तो आइए देखते हैं पहला पॉइंट।
Where was the SCO Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit 2025 held in Tianjin, China? India and which country have signed an agreement for Chandrayaan 5, that is Japan? Who won the SAF Under 17 Women Championship 2025, that is India? Where is a flyover named after the 13th century ruler Maharaja Prithu? Guwahati. Where was a 51-foot tall statue of Lord Sri Ram unveiled in Canada? Which medal did Gurpreet Singh win in the men's 25-meter standard pistol event at 16 Asian Shooting Championship? Gold medal. Which payment bank has launched the saving accounts Geo? Who topped the medal tally at 16 Asian Shooting Championship 2025, that is India? Which state government launched the No Helmet No Fuel Road Safety campaign, that is government of Uttar Pradesh? Which country has declared the safest country in Asia in Global Peace Index? The country of Singapore. Ministry of Tribal Affairs of Government of India launched an AI-based translator for the preservation of tribal languages under which name? Adivani. INS Kadmat participated in the 50th Independence Day celebration of New Papua Guinea. India's largest aero engine testing center was inaugurated in Uttar Pradesh. Which city has been considered the safest city for women in the country? Kohima. Who topped the medal tally of World Games 2025 held in Chengdu, China, but India won a total of 3 medals? The joint military exercise Maitri 2025 between India and which country held in Meghalaya, country of Thailand? Maitri 2025. Which country has celebrated the 80th anniversary of the declaration of its independence from France, that is country of Vietnam? Who was appointed Chief of Maintenance in the Indian Air Force? Sanjeev Guratia. Which museum will loan the 16th century Vrindavani Vastra to India in 2027? British Museum. Who will host the Badminton World Championship in August 2026 in New Delhi? Who won the Dutch Grand Prix 2025? Oscar Piastri. Which Indian NGO was selected for the Roman Maxes Award 2025? Educate Girls, that belongs to Rajasthan state. Who celebrated its 8th Foundation Day? Indian Post Payment Bank. Which Bal Batika TV was launched on the 65th Foundation Day of NCERT Disha 2.0? With whom has SCL launched the country's first indigenous space processor Vikram 3201 by ISRO? Where did Prime Minister Modi inaugurate Semicon India 2025 in New Delhi? Who won the Superstars section title at the Fujairah Global Chess Championship 2025? Won by Pranav Venkatesh. Who launched the Kapas Kisan mobile app to empower cotton farmer? Giriraj Singh. Where was the Real Rhythm and Soul 2025 event held in Nepal? Who topped the NIRF ranking 2025? IIT Madras. Full form of NIRF is National Institute Ranking Framework, which IIT has developed AI tools for Indian language and heritage. IIT Jodhpur. How many teachers have been selected for the National Teachers Award 2025? 45 teachers. 45 teachers. According to the Sample Registration Report 2023, India's infant mortality rate has fallen to a record low of how much? 25. In which meeting of the GST Council held in New Delhi, the merger of tax slab into two main slabs, 5% and 18%, has been implemented through 56th meeting of GST Council, which state's power capacity increased to 30,000 megawatt, the state of Chhattisgarh. Where did the World Boxing Championship begin on September? In Liverpool, England. Where did the Royal Bhutan Buddhist Temple grandly inaugurate? In Rajgir. Where was India's first vulture conservation portal launched? In Assam. Who launched their new cooked vegetables, The Indian Way, in London by Camellia Punjabi? Who will be honored with the prestigious Professor B.K. Gokak Award in Bengaluru? Anand B. Patil. Who inaugurated the Samhita Conference in New Delhi? By External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar. Which country supported India Malacca State Petrol Plan? Country of Singapore. Which state government has launched the Rest House project for hospital attendants? Government of Delhi. Why? When has the Niti Aayog set a strategy to double pulses production by 2047? Asmi film Goodbye Guruji was officially selected for the Ganges Sur Scene Festival to be held in Paris, France. Who transferred key defense material technology to the industry by DRDO? Whose memoir Mother Mary Comes to Me was released? Arundhati Roy. Shabana Mahmood was appointed Home Minister of his country of Britain. David Lammy was appointed the new Deputy Prime Minister of his country, the country of Britain. Chief Minister of which state announced cashless medical treatment for teachers? Uttar Pradesh. The daily limit of UPI has increased to how many lakhs? 10 lakhs. The book Operation Sindoor, The Untold Story of India Deep Strike Inside Pakistan, written by whom? Written by KJS Dhillon. Which country celebrated its Independence Day on September 7, 2025? That is country of Brazil. Who won the Men's Hockey Asia Cup 2025 title? That is India. Who won the US Open 2025 men's single title? Carlos Alcaraz. Where was the 28th Universal Postal Congress held? In Dubai. Which country has launched the Advanced Spy Satellite OPEC-19? That is Israel. Who was commissioned into the Indian Army Ordnance Corps? Lieutenant Parul Dhadwal. Who won the Italian Grand Prix 2025? Max Verstappen. Who received the Best Director Award in Horizonte category for his documentary Song of a Forgotten Tree? Anuparna Roy. Kokichi Akujawa of his country climbed Mount Fuji at age of 102. Japan. Which state government has introduced yoga and Sudarshan Kriya for prisoners in all district jails? Government of Chhattisgarh. C.P. Radhakrishnan has been elected as which number Vice President of India? 15th. In which state will a space city and defense center be built? In Andhra Pradesh. Which medal did India win in CAFA Nations Cup 2025? Bronze medal. India literacy rate has increased to what percentage? 80.9%. Which state has been declared fully literate with 99.3 literacy? State of Himachal Pradesh. Who was awarded the Camel International Award 2025? Yunus Ahmad. Who will host the G20 summit in 2026 United Nations? Who was chosen as Times Kid of the Year 2025? Tejasvi Manoj. In whose honor did the RBI issue a special ₹100 denomination coin? Dr. Bhupendra Hazarika. Where did India, Iran, Armenia hold their third trilateral dialogue? In Tehran. Which country has developed the MQ-28A Ghost battle drone for defense reinforcement? Country of Australia. Who became the youngest grandmaster to defeat world championship D. Guges in classical chess? Abhimanyu Mishra. Which country successfully tested its first indigenous cruise missile, Flamingo? Country of Ukraine. Who presented the Swachh Vayu Sarvekhan Award? Bhupender Yadav, Union Minister. Which state assembly passed the Anti-Conversion Bill 2025? State of Rajasthan. Which ministry launched the Adi Sanskriti digital learning platform? Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Where was India's first overseas Atal Innovation Center launch? United States Emirates, UAE. Which state's Governor Acharya Devvrat was given the additional charge of Governor of Maharashtra, Gujarat? Who was posthumously awarded the P.V. Narasimha Rao Memorial Award? Dr. Manmohan Singh. Who topped the World Talent Ranking 2025? Switzerland. Who became the world richest person? Larry Ellison. His company is Oracle. Which campaign has been launched by ICC for Women's World Cup 2025? Will to win. Which country celebrated Patriotism Day on 11 September 2025? USA. Where did IIM Ahmedabad open its first global campus? In Dubai. Which ministry launched the Gyan Bharatam portal? Ministry of Culture. Who became first woman Prime Minister of Nepal? Susila Kargi. Which country has appointed the world first AI generated minister? Diela. Country of Albania. Which two cities were awarded the official certificate of Ramsar Wetland City? Udaipur and Indore. Where did India launch SAGEX 2025 to promote the jewelry trade? In Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Where did the Indian Navy commission INS Aravali? In Gurugram. Where did PM Modi inaugurate the Bhairavi Sarang new railway line? In Mizoram. Who will host 5th Coast Guard Global Summit in 2027 in India? Indian Railway launched a daily parcel train from where to Delhi, Kashmir? Which has become the first government medical college in India to conduct training on the Da Vinci robotic system? AIIMS Delhi. Where was the 20 World Athletics Championship held? In Tokyo. Which app has been launched by AIIMS Delhi to help students deal with stress, never alone. Which medal has the Indian women's hockey team won in the Women's Asia Cup 2025 silver medal? Where has India's largest and most modern sports complex been inaugurated in Ahmedabad? Who became the first Indian high jumper to reach the final of World Athletics Championship? Sarvesh Khusre. Where has Prime Minister Modi inaugurated the world's first bamboo ethanol plants in Assam? Where was the Rabi Abhiyan 2025 conference held in New Delhi? Where are the red sand dunes included in the UNESCO tentative list in Andhra Pradesh? Jasmine Lamboria won which medal at World Boxing Championship 2025? Gold medal. Who topped the ISSF World Cup 2025 medal table? China. Where has the anti-submarine warship Androth been inducted into the Indian Navy? In Kolkata. Where was the 18th World Congress held? In Sharjah, United Arab Emirates. Where have the USA, South Korea and Japan launched the Freedom Age military exercise? In South Korea. Who became Nepal's first female Attorney General? Savita Bhandari. Who has been selected as the ICC Player of the Month for August 2025? Mohammad Siraj and Orla Prendergast. Where has INS Nistar joined exercise Pacific Ridge 2025? In Singapore. Who has topped the ICC Women's Cricket ODI batting rankings? Smriti Mandhana. Which company has become the new title sponsor of the Indian cricket team? Company of Apollo Tyres. Who has won FIDE Women's Grand Swiss 2025? Vaishali Ramesh Babu. Where was the 14th Sirarakhong Hathai Chili Festival celebrated? In Manipur. Who was appointed Executive Director of UN Women for the second time? Dr. Seema Sami Bahus. Footballer Samuel Umtiti of his country retired from football at the age of 31. Country of France. Who will host the SCO summit in 2027 by Pakistan? Who has become the world's #1 footballer in the ICC T20 international rankings? Varun Chakrabarti. The unemployment rate has decreased to 5% in August 2025, 5.1%. Who topped the Global Innovation Index 2025? Switzerland. Who became Bihar's first female FIDE master? Mariam Fatima. Which country successfully tested the Tianlong 3 reusable rocket? Country of China. Prime Minister Modi inaugurated the PM Mitra Park in Dhar. In which state? A state of Madhya Pradesh. Who launched his coffee table book Wild Africa Through My Lens? By Manish Mundra. CM of which state has launched the Ambu Karangal Yojana? CM of Tamil Nadu. Where was the World Tea Conference 2025 held? In Kochi. Who became the first Indian to take 100 wickets in T20? Arshdeep Singh. How many political parties were delisted by the Election Commission for violating norms? 474 parties. Which state has become the first to issue identity card to self-help group members? A state of Tamil Nadu. Who has been selected for the prestigious Dada Saheb Phalke Award 2023? Mohanlal. Chief Minister of which state announced a monthly allowance of Rs 1,000 for unemployed graduates? Bihar. Who described India UPI as a global model for digital payments? IMF. Typhoon Mitang made landfall in Guangdong province of which country? Country of China. Where was the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Science City inaugurated? In Patna, Bihar. The film Homebound, directed by whom, has been selected as India Oscar entry? Neeraj Ghaiwan. The film as a untold story of a yogi, produced by whom, was released national by Ajay Menge. Where was Asia's largest rail operations command center unveiled? In Ahmedabad. Where was the 28th National Conference on E-Governance 2025 held in Visakhapatnam? Which country has announced the launch of new K-Visa? China. Who has become the fastest Indian player to score an ODI century? Smriti Mandhana. Indian skater Anish Raj won which medal at the 2025 World Skating Championship? Bronze medal. Who sang the official song of the ICC Women's Cricket World Cup, Bring It Home? Shreya Ghoshal. Where was the 69th Ballon d'Or ceremony held? In Paris. Which country player Quinton de Kock withdrew his ODI retirement? South Africa. Ahmednagar railway station in which state was officially renamed Ahilyanagar? Maharashtra. Which country successfully tested the anti-missile laser system Iron Beam? Country of Israel. Phalarope wins in Tamil Nadu. Which medal did Sydney McLaughlin LeBron win at the World Athletics Championship? Gold medal. Where was the 6th edition of the River Festival held? In New Delhi. Which edition of the ISSF Junior World Cup 2025 hosted by India for the first time? 11th edition. The GST Appellate Tribunal was launched. Who is its chairman? Sanjay Kumar Mishra. Who topped the Global Digital Nomad Report 2025? Spain. In which country Rosh Hashanah Utsav is celebrated? In Israel. Which state has launched the 1,000 crore rupees LEAP scheme to promote innovation? Karnataka. Which country will complete the supply of S-400 system to India by 2026? Russia. Where did World Food India 2025 begin? In New Delhi. Who was honored with the Living Bridge Award? Keir Starmer. He is the Prime Minister of Britain. Which country were hit hard by Typhoon Dagasha? Country of Taiwan, Philippines, Hong Kong, China. 4 faculty members of which university has been included in the list of 2% of scientists of the world? Nagaland University. Which ministry has launched the National Dharmantri Ayurveda Award? Ministry of Ayush. Where did Agnikul Cosmos launch India's first large-scale 3D printing facility for rockets and aerospace parts? In Chennai. Which state's Jilani Modi received the UNEP Young Championship of the Earth Award 2025 for this banana fiber leather innovation? He belongs to a state of Maharashtra. PM Modi transferred 10,000 each to 75 million women in which state under the Chief Minister Women Employment Scheme? Bihar. 75 Gram Panchayat in Surajpur district of which state were declared child marriage free panchayat? A state of Chhattisgarh. In which state was the 2,200 megawatt Oju hydroelectric project on the Subansiri River approved Arunachal Pradesh. Who became the first Indian male cricketer to sign a contract with a Big Bash League team? Ravichandran Ashwin. Who became the first Indian judo player to top the junior world rankings? Himanshi Tokas. Ministry of Defence has signed an agreement with Hull to purchase how many light combat aircraft? Mk1A-97. India's first overseas defence manufacturing unit has been established in which country? Morocco. ICC suspended the membership of which country's cricket body over governance issues? United States. DRDO successfully tested which missile for the first time from a rail-based mobile launcher Agni Prime? According to a report released, the global rhino population has stabilized at 27,000. Where was the farewell ceremony for the Indian Air Force MiG-21 fighter jet held in Chandigarh? The Department of Telecommunication signed an MOU with which organization to combat cybercrime and financial fraud? Financial Intelligence Unit India. Whose tenure as Chief of Defence Staff was extended? General Anil Chauhan. Who has launched the RAMP program to promote women-led MSME in collaboration with the World Bank? Telangana. Which state has announced the Kalai Mamani Award? Tamil Nadu. Which has been nominated by India as a United Nations AI Center of Excellence? IIT Madras. Which country has become the 8th country to accept UPI payment? Qatar.